As a doctor, a single complaint, true or not, can put your entire professional license at risk. But there's one thing you should never do when the investigation notice arrives. So if you ever get a notice that the Virginia board is investigating you, the first thing to remember is don't panic. Don't handle it alone. These cases feel overwhelming, but there's a clear process, and having legal representation makes the difference. It all starts with a complaint. Someone, maybe a patient, coworker, or employer, files it with the Department of Health Professions. The board does a quick check to see if it even falls under their authority. If it doesn't, it's dismissed. If it does, they assign it to an investigator. That's usually when you hear about it. You get a formal notice saying you're being investigated. The investigator may ask for records, documents, or even a written statement. They might want to talk to you directly. This is where people often trip up. They think, if I just explain myself, this will go away. But here's the truth. Anything you say can be used against you. That's why it's so important to have a lawyer represent you, an experienced attorney who knows exactly how to frame things, what to share and what not to. Once the investigator finishes, they write up a report for the board. At that point, the board decides if the case should be dismissed or if it needs to take a closer look. If they move forward, you usually have an informal conference. It's basically a small hearing with a panel board of board members. You and your attorney get to present your side. Sometimes it ends there, maybe with a dismissal or maybe with some discipline like a reprimand, fine, or extra training. Having a lawyer at this stage is huge because they can push for lighter outcomes and keep things from escalating. If the case is more serious, however, or if you challenge the decision, it moves to the formal hearing. This is like a trial with witnesses, evidence, and the full board present. Here, the stakes are much higher, including possible suspension, revocation of your license. You really don't want to be in that room without an attorney advocating for you. Finally, the board issues a final order. That's the official outcome, whether it's a dismissal, a warning, probation, fines, or something more serious. These orders are usually public, so they show up if someone looks up your license. If you feel the decision was unfair, you do have the right to appeal to a circuit court. The whole process can take months, sometimes longer, but the common thread is this: having a lawyer by your side gives you the best chance to protect your license and your career. Trying to handle it alone often makes things harder than they need to be. You've worked hard for your career. Don't let a complaint change your future. Visit SpiegelLaw.com to book a consultation with our firm to defend your career today.